Hello everyone, I Kishori Reena welcome you all to this session. Students, today we are going to learn about the phrases and their types. First of all, we will see what is a phrase. Of words that makes some sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. It is used as a single unit of a sentence and has no subject verb combination. For example, Leela studies at night. The man appeared to be in a hurry. Now, if I would say only at night, then the meaning is not complete. At night is a phrase. It has some meaning, but it does not have a complete meaning. If I will say only at night, you won't be able to understand what I am going to say. In the same way, you see in the second sentence, in a hurry is a phrase. If I would say only in a hurry, then meaning is not complete or you won't be able to understand what I am going to say. So phrase has some meaning but not a complete meaning like a sentence. Now come to the types of phrases. Phrases are divided into different types depending upon the work they do. They are named based on the parts of speech. Students, you know that there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. Now, phrase also has 5 types. They are noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, and preposition phrase. Now we will see one by one each type of phrase. First, come to the noun phrases. A phrase that does the work of a noun is called a noun phrase. Since nouns are used as subjects or as objects of verb, so those phrases which do such work are called noun phrases. For example, telling lies is a bad habit. Second example, my father enjoys playing football. Now, in these two sentences, you will see the dark words that are written in dark letters, that is telling lies and playing football, they are phrases. In the first sentence, telling lies is a phrase and here it's working as a subject of the sentence. So it's a noun verb. In the same way, in second sentence also, you see playing football is working as an object of the sentence. My father enjoys what? My father enjoys playing football. So these two, telling lies and playing football, as they are working as a subject and object of a sentence, so they are noun clause. Now come to the next, adjective phrases. A phrase that does the work of an adjective is called an adjective phrase. As adjective qualifies noun or pronoun, hence any phrase that qualifies a noun or a pronoun is an adjective phrase. For example, she wore a ring made of gold. Next example, my uncle is a writer of great fame. Now, in these two sentences, made of gold and of great fame, they are phrase. In the first sentence, the phrase made of gold is modifying the noun, that is ring. In the same way, in the second sentence, of great fame is modifying a noun, writer. In this sentence, it is telling which type of writer is? The writer is of great fame. So as these phrases are modifying the noun, that's why they are adjective phrases. Now verb phrases. A phrase that acts like a verb in a sentence is called a verb phrase. For example, she has finished her work. Next, he has gone to play cricket. Verb phrases which works as a verb, and verb we know that they are action words. There are two types of verbs: action verbs, helping verbs. So here we will find combination of both type of verbs. Has finished is a verb phrase. Again in the next sentence, has gone is a verb phrase. Has is a helping verb and finished and gone are main verb. Now, adverb phrase. These are the phrases that do the work of an adverb. Adverbs usually answer the question how, where, and when. Hence, those phrases that do such work are called adverb phrases. For example, she sang in a sweet manner. Next, Jim sat on the ground. Third, the bell will ring just now. Now, in these three sentences, you will see the phrase in a sweet manner. Here, this phrase is telling about or is modifying, telling something about the verb. How she sang? She sang in a sweet manner. So here in a sweet manner is modifying the verb sang. Similarly, Jim sat on the ground. Again on the ground is modifying the verb sat. Where he sat? He sat on the, or Jim sat on the ground. Again in the next, the bell will ring just now. When the bell will ring? The bell will ring just now. Here, so all these phrases are modifying the verb, so they are adverb phrases. Now come to the next, prepositional phrases. The phrases that are used with the force of prepositions are called prepositional phrases. They generally inform about time, location, possession, or condition. For example, according to, along with, because of, by means of, in case of, in front of, etc. So these phrases may be used in a sentence like, example, in case of need, come to me. There is a tree in front of my house. So here, in case of, here it is telling you about a condition, about a situation. If you have need, you can come to me. In the same way, in the next sentence, there is a tree in front of my house. Where the tree is placed? The tree is in front of my house. So here also it is telling about where the tree is. So as we know that these are the prepositional phrases. So in this way you can use in the sentence. The hat, here see one picture I have pasted here. The hat on Moby's head is orange. Now on Moby's head is a prepositional phrase because it is telling about the place of the hat. So these are the 5 types of phrases. Now with this we will come to an end of the session. Hope you have understood. Thank you.